In Ottawa, quality windows are more than just a view to the outside, they are essential for comfort and energy efficiency. At Centennial Glass, all our residential windows are ENERGY STAR compliant, ensuring you save on heating and cooling bills. Our certified and insured tradesmen guarantee expert installation. From slider to casement windows, Centennial Glass has a variety of styles to match any home's aesthetic. Got a broken window? Centennial Glass Repair Service can fix almost any issue, from broken glass to foggy windows, whether you bring it to us or we come to you. Centennial Glass, trust the experts in Ottawa window replacement and repair. Visit our showroom at 855 Industrial Avenue, call 6137389500, or use our online contact form. Our staff is ready to help you choose the best options for your needs and budget.